Now, good day all. My name is Coach Salisu, and in this session, I'm going to, of course, you know that RTMI has 4 styles of trading. Although we have a lot, but we decided to pick this 4 because we felt that is the most easiest way to make anyone to understand trading so that you guys will be able to generate signal by yourself. Now, as you know that today, today being Sunday, is a day that we teach how to generate signal, while our Friday and as well Saturday we teach. Friday we answer questions and answer. Then Saturday we provide question. You answer your questions. Then on Saturday we look into slight technical and fundamental analysis. Same thing as Sunday. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use, of course, I know some of us are here that are using it, right? But some are yet to understand or master it. What we'll do is maybe we'll pick 1 or 2, then next week we'll finish it up. Now I'm going to show you guys how to trade RQTMI chart percentage tactics, how to use RQTMI chart percentage tactics to pick a coin. Because this is the first thing you show any newbie, any new person that you are introducing to cryptocurrency, the easiest and the most fastest way for he or she to, King Alabi, can you hear me?
Sir, I can hear you.
Okay, the fastest and the best way to, so RQTMI felt that the best and the fastest way to make a new member joining your team to understand how to generate signal is to use of RQTMI chart percentage, change percentage tactics, where you load the 25 volatile coins only exclusively for the 25 volatile coins. I repeat, it only works with the RQTMI 25 volatile coins, which we share on all groups. If you don't have it, you can go to the group, you got this link and request for it. You will definitely get it. Now, all you just need to do, I'm just saying the theoretical part before I move and share my screen. All you just need to do is to load the 25 volatile coins they are on Royal Q. There are 95 coins on the USDT spot market. 25 of them we decide to see, we look into all the 95 and decide to pick 25 of them as our recommended volatile coins, which you can use to trade that RQTMI change percent tactics. How do you do this? After you've created your TradingView account and you have loaded the 25 volatile coins, all you just need to do is to wait for any of the 25 to dip by -3. Then you use the default setting. If you want to use the bull tactics category 1 or category 2, you need to ensure that the coin, among the 25, any of them have dipped by -5. If it dipped by -5, you can now, use bull tactics category 1 or 2 to trade, or even the default setting. But default setting works for all -3 and -5, but bull tactics works for only -5 and above. Once you do that, if you use bull tactics category 1, you see that sometimes you see somebody using $100 will make $10 in one day. Sometimes somebody using $100, you see he make $5 because he's using bull tactics category 1. Some of us here, anytime we share a video on the group, some people don't want to watch video. How do you want to succeed in a business? You don't want to learn anything. You just want to make money. It doesn't work like that. We make the video very short. I keep sharing it on the group. You still come back, you see that somebody will now say, can I enter this trade? When you have a video that talks about it, why not you go and watch it? Then come on Friday to ask questions. That's why we decide to select Friday for questions, and we provide answer to the questions. I see no reason why somebody will say he doesn't have time, but he has time to watch movie. Movie that will not put money in your pocket. You have time to do other things that is not putting money in your pocket. But just to watch a video of 10, we decide to make the video as short as 15 minutes. No, I don't even think there's anyone that is even 20 minutes. Just to watch. If you cannot watch everything, use 10 minutes to watch it, to finish it. Every day you watch 10 minutes before you know you finish everything. So I will show you guys. I'll share on the screen. As you know that our indicators, the indicator RTMI use is stochastic RSI, Bollinger Band, and the auto Fibonacci, right? We have two indicator tactics where we only restrict to ourselves to only the stochastic and the Fibonacci. We also have the swing trading tactics where you only restrict ourselves to also Fibonacci. Then we'll now have the three indicator tactics where you use the three indicator for confirmation and which work perfectly powerful for bull tactics category 1 and 2 settings. If you have the Excel templates, you already have everything you need to excel in RoyalQ in terms of setting or in terms of trading with RoyalQ robots. The only thing is, do you really know that what you have? That's the question. Now, I'll share my screen. Kalavi, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. I can see it, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Wow, this coin is pumping. Oh, nice one. NFT. Keep going up. This will deal with you. So now you see these are the 25 volatile coins. Forget all these OP, UMA, RNDR, LDO. Forget it. Just there. It's only the 25 volatile coins that you see on the ROIQ hot list. This is my hot list. I can trade max and take 3% using bull tactics category 1 or bull tactics category 2. I can trade it and take my confirm 3%. Because once you see a trade, this is the fastest and the best way to trade, teach somebody that's coming up into cryptocurrency. Don't start with the indicators. He will say it's complicated. Don't start with the indicators. I'm coming. I think I need to let me give some people. I will not want to switch it back to, I don't want to unmute everyone because sometimes, but let me just leave it like that. Now, once you see -5, you use bull tactics category 1 or 2. This one will give you 3% of 100% of your capital if it sells. This one will give you, I think, 70 or 50, 60% of your capital. If the 3% will be on 60% or 70% of your capital. Imagine you are using Magic with your $100 and you're making $3. You compound and you're making $5. So that's why you see some people, they are using small money. It's because you have not gone to watch the video. Once you see -5, this coin can give you -5, -4, minus this. This you can use bull tactics category 1 and 2 for this. You can also use default setting. Anyone that's not -5 and above, you can use bull tactics category 1 or 2. As long as it's not -5, like this one now, sushi, you can use default setting. This way it stops. -3 and above is for default setting. -5 and above is for bull tactics. That's all. 3% and you don't go. I repeat, never you go beyond 3% if you're doing this. Never you go beyond 3% take profit if you don't want problem. So you see, you can have 4 signals here waiting for you. 4 signals waiting for you. 4 signals waiting for you. That's it. I think I will make this talk short. Then we go and look at BTC Acro, preferably. I'm open. I'll make this class short. Let me quickly unmute everyone so that you guys can start asking your question. Okay. Onyebuchi. Oh, okay. Sorry. I think you're unmuting yourself. I'm open for question. Let me attend to your question before I move to BTC analysis. If you have any question, I can move on and finish it up. What I just taught now is very easy. If you have any question on it, let me know. King Henry. So Alabi, you can unmute him.
Hello, sir.
So
Good
Henry,
evening,
go on.
sir.
Yeah, good evening. Maybe please be audible. Your voice is very low.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay. I was at this generating signal earlier today. I actually was watching the video, and I asked a question.
You need to be audible.
I
You need
was
to be
following
audible.
up.
I can't hear you. You need to be audible.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes,
Can you hear me now, sir?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Maybe this network. I said I wanted to know where I could set the timing.
What do you mean timing?
The timing on this.
Are you referring to time
Outlook?
zone?
Where I can. Yes, the time zone exactly, sir.
Did you watch the video on Trading View setup?
Yes, I watched it. I was the one that started it up privately earlier today. That you said I should wait till this time.
Okay,
that
so time
when
zone,
the
if you
meeting
want
starts, I could come up with the question.
If you want time zone, just go to your Trading View app, tap on the go to your Trading View app, open a coin, tap on this three dot at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on chart setting. Tap on it. You see it? Then this place you can decide to tap on Lagos. You see? Lagos. If you're in Nigeria, you tap on Lagos. If you're not in Nigeria, look for the country that has the same time zone with your location, then tap on it. That's all. That's all. Then you tap on this. You tap on this. You tap on this to save as default. To save. No, not this. Sorry, not this. Not this. You tap on this. Not this. You tap on. You scroll. You tap on this. You tap on. You tap on this. Tap on it. Scroll down. You tap on save. To save it. That's all. This is the reason why we don't want to unmute everybody. You can see we are just coming to the Zoom session. Instead of you to just mute yourself, you are here disturbing us. Your background noise is disturbing us. So that's it. I hope I've answered your question. Have I answered your question? Okay. So Henry, go on.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe you check your network. Thank you.
Okay.
Next person, King Henry. King Henry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
King Henry. Okay, I can see Henry is not ready. Tessie Gold. Tessie, you can ask your question.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I can hear you. Go on.
Okay, so please, I want to ask if you are using both taxes one category, is it advisable to also do compounding while you
You
are
said
on that state? Like,
you
can
have to be
someone?
audible. I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Go on.
Okay, so I was asking if you are using both taxes one category to trade, is it advisable to also do compounding on that coin, or is only if
Yes,
you
you
using
can compound. For
only the
example, you have
category?
$100 and you are using bull practice category one. All you just need to do is to change just like the videos, just like the video I did for you to understand it. If you watch it, you see that I changed if you're using Magic 3, for example, with your $100, you change the
Yeah.
second call to 50%, and you know that the first buy is 15. Once it picks the first call, 10.5 USDT is on the coin. 15 plus 10.5 will give you 25.5. Now you already have $100 and you are forcing the robot from stopping it from buying the second call by putting 50% call drop. Now you subtract 25.5 from 100, you have 74.5. That is what you are going to use. Immediately you tap on start and it picks the first buy. You just go and do manual replenishment with 74.5. That's all. So immediately it picks the first call, 100% of your capital, which is $100, will enter the coin. And if your take profit is 3%, it's going to sell and give you $3. So imagine if you make $3, the next trade you are going to make, the next trade you are going to place now, yeah, you now say, okay, you have $103. Now your first buy is 15 and the first call is on the USDT on the first call is 10.5. When you add, like I say, it gives you 25.5. Then you take it out of the 103. What are you going to be left with? You're going to be left with what? 77.5 or so. Now, immediately you start the trade, you now go and use 77.5 to do manual management. If you pick it, it sells and give you 3% of $103. You can see that's how you can compound. Same goes for
Oh,
category 2 and same goes for Magic 1 and Magic 5 if you're using it to what? To do bull tactics.
okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Do you guys now know how to generate signal without using the RTMI chat percent? If you understood what I've just shared at the beginning of this class, type a yes on the chat. That is the first thing you teach anybody that is joining your business, because it's very easy and it's faster for them to start making the money. Once you see, remember, it's only exclusively. I'm not saying that it doesn't work for another coin, but those 25 volatile coins that I shared with you guys, that is my recommendation. If it's working for you on another coin, it is fine. But I am saying that those 25 volatile coins, those are the ones that I choose to say that you trade it. Ensure you don't go beyond 3% take profit. Simple. Just to check which one is having -3, use default setting. If it's having -5, use bull tactics category 1 and 2. You are good to go. And remember the rules. Don't go beyond 3% take profit. Don't go beyond 3% take profit. I repeat, don't go beyond 3% take profit. Right? Somebody says he's using the same tactics and he's going beyond 3%. And although he sold, I told him that's gambling. That is gambling. You pick a trade and you are sure of what you are doing. You need to know what you are doing. Don't just say you are making money. You need to understand what you are doing, and you should know that what you are doing is sustainable, whether in bearish or bullish. That's why I'm saying that if you have that Excel template, you have everything you need to excel. It's only that you need to understand and know how to use it. I'm going to explain again. Somebody said I should explain before I delve into BTC, and let's see what we are expecting in BTC. Now, I say the 25 volatile coins that I'm referring to, you see it. Now, Max is showing minus 5.31. I can trade and use bull tactics category 1 or 2. Anytime I see minus 5 and above, I can use category 1 or 2 bull tactics. Anytime I see less than minus 3 and above, minus 3, between minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3, anything minus 3 and above, sorry, you can use default setting. Like you can see now, you use the default setting on this, default setting on this, default setting on this, and that's all. You cannot trade again. I repeat, use default setting on this, default setting on this, default setting on this, and this you don't use it because it's not minus 3. Right? That's it. That this one you can use bull tactics category 1 and you enjoy your trade. 3% is a short deal on your bull tactics category 1 and 2. Ensure the condition, you should know the condition that you make money uptrend, you do not make money downtrend, and if the trade goes against you, you have to remain patient and wait. So I think I've done justice to this. This is the first thing, I repeat, this is the first thing you teach your downline, right? This is the first thing you teach your downline. And aside that, the second thing you need to add to them is to know how to use signals. That's, although some people, though, this is the best, let them be able to generate signal by themselves. If you have picked this coin now, it was 5.35 now. You can see it's going down. You have been floating profit and floating. You have entered profit. It was 5.5, I be 5.4 a few minutes ago, few seconds ago. So that's what I'm saying. Now, I've gone over it again. Does everybody understand? If you understood what I've just said, type a yes on the chat. Are you okay now? Does everybody understood what I've shared? Do you understand what I've shared? Does everybody understand what I've shared? Please type a yes. Let me be sure that you know it, because this is the first thing you teach your downline. This is the first thing you teach your downline. Load the 25 volatile coins. If you don't have it, request for it on the group where you got this Zoom link from to be shared. You should be able to generate signal by yourself. You should be able to generate signal by yourself and teach your downline. This is one of the fastest and the best way for them to start making money and start making noise so that you build your team. You could see what James Makara withdrew does this today, $5,000. That guy is just sitting there. He has paid the price. He paid the price 2021 and built a team, and today he's paying him. So I have more yes than no. It's not everything you can get on Zoom sometimes. Keep attending our Zoom session. You will definitely get it. So that's it. Now let's go straight to BTC charts. That's what I want to say. Next time we meet, I will show you guys 2 indicator tactics. Then next time we meet, 3 indicator tactics. Then next time we meet. Yes, you have a question? Go on.
Yes. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I've been trying to bind one of my downline accounts since yesterday. The point to click on that
yes, it's because you have not copied. Yes, you have not copied the IPS from Royal Q and paste it on Binance and tap on confirm. That's why you cannot click there.
So, but, okay, I'm supposed to copy the IPS from Royal Q.
Royal Q and come and paste it where you see restrict access to trusted IPS on Binance. Paste it there and confirm. You'll be able to enable that spot and margin trading.
Oh, okay. All right.
Next person, before I move to BTC.
Coach Salisu, please, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, please. On this mask that is -5 already, can we still use default setting MRTPMI?
Yes, you can. That's why I say, that is why I said that anything -3 and above, you can use default. You can use default. But for you to use bull tactics category 1 and 2, you must ensure it is -5 and above.
Okay, thank you.
You will enjoy this. Try it, and that's why you see some people on the group. They have small capital. They are still making $3-4 instead of cents. This is what they.
Okay, can I? Yes, sir.
Is my trading view will not spook. I'm seeing a bullish trend this week. Why? Because on the 1 week, BTC have formed what is called cup and handle pattern. And cup and handle pattern is a bullish signal telling you that it's going up, right? And it has even break the candle. Oh, sorry. If you look at it on the 1 week longer time frame, yes, we have a slight retracement. What is supposed to break, it has not break the structure, but you could see that it has formed a cup and handle pattern. This is what I'm referring to. Cup is like a cup with a handle. See the handle? It has broken the handle because you have closed it. So it will have a slight retracement. We're still expecting it to go to this 69. It will hit this 69 before, probably before the halving, before the 26th of April halving. Probably we might see it hit that place. Then now retrace back before it now the bull run proper. Remember that bull run on the fundamental. Let me tell you guys something. If you're on this call, how do you know that we have started bull season? We are in pre-bull. What are we talking about pre? What are we saying pre-bull? The Fed has US Federal Reserve have kept on increasing interest rate, but they are when they reach 5.5, when they reach 5.5% interest rates, when you say interest rate, you are referring to the interest on loan. If you go to the bank to borrow money, what is the interest, right? US interest rate as of now is 5.5. Now, majority of those big money that you see in crypto, some of them are borrowed money. Some of them are borrowed money. So if I go to the bank to get $1 billion, or let's say $100 million, and I'm going to pay interest rate of 5.5% yearly, which is divided into which is if you divide it by monthly, you will see the percentage. Now, I will rather wait for the Federal Reserve to show me that this interest rate, it is not longer going to hike it. It's going to start dropping it, cutting it down to 2 or 1.5. So how do I know that? They've been pausing 5.5. The day you start, they've been pausing for months now, 5.5. They cannot increase because they know what is going to happen to the economy. Companies will start having issues with their workers. They'll start sacking people. That's why you see, that's what they want to see. That's why you see job data is to come out. This thing controls job data. When the interest rate goes up, controls job data. People will not have the money because big top companies that have borrowed money to finance their business, they will now the interest rate is going up. They will not have the money to pay back. They will have to quickly go and pay back so that they will not They will not pay more interest on the loan they've taken. So that will make them to not be able to pay staff. That's why you see some company will start laying off staff. That's what happened when they were increasing interest rate, right? But right now they have kept pausing it. So the bull season full time starts when you have the halving, and also this controls it, the rate at which money flows into the crypto space. Once you start seeing it falling down from 5.5 to 5.4, plus brothers and sisters on this call, you start seeing massive. Any day, I repeat, my name is Coach Salisu. Any day you start seeing the Federal Reserve start to cut this interest rate to 5.4 or even below 5.45, anything below 5.5, anything below 5.5, you start seeing the market becoming crazy. You start seeing the market becoming crazy. When I say crazy, massive percentage. People are expecting Ethereum ETF. That's why you see Ethereum is going up. People are buying Ethereum up to it has even hit cross 3,000. This is part of the fundamentals of interest rate. As we move on, I will talk about the CPI. I will talk about the unemployment rate. These are the things. This interest rate is key. Now, how will you know that you started bearish season? When you start seeing them after they have drop it down, you started raising it up. That's when you say bearish season have started. So do you guys understand? I know even if you don't understand, at least just get something. So as I'm saying, BTC has formed a cup and handle pattern. So we are expecting a bullish week between this range. Although this one is a weekly chart, it's not as if you say this week to go to 69, right? But we will definitely, we are looking at hitting this 69 before the halving, 26th or 22nd or 26th of April for the halving. So we are looking at hitting this range. So ensure you bag a lot of USDT and pack what you can pack this bullish season. Either buying house, buying car, do everything you need in this bull season. This one is double bull season because of the ETF. So, and aside that, what I would add at the end is to show you guys how to use the signals. If I drop a signal, I'll take profit of 3%. That preset you see me put is the same thing as current price. It's just that I'm using preset because when I drop it on the group, some people are not currently online. So when they come and meet it, they will have to use preset because the signal will not wait for them. Let's say I drop a signal of $3 and $3, yes. Sorry, I drop a signal of 3%, take profit. And the price is $2, right? The price is $2. The price is $2. Now, and the take profit is 3%. The preset price is $2. It's either you use the preset price when you come and meet the signal, maybe probably you meet it at $3, right? Or let me just do the calculation of the selling price. Now, if you want to calculate the selling price as you come and meet the signal, it was $2 and you have seen it as $2.1 or $2.01. It has gone past the $2. What are you going to do? Calculate the selling price by what? 100 plus 3%. That's 103. Divide by 100 times $2. It means the selling price is 2.06. And you met the signal at where? You met it at 2.1. 2.01. And the selling price is what? 2.06. What you just do is you can decide to enter this coin because it has not gone to hit the selling price. Enter the coin and use sell limits. You see sell in your area, you sell, tap on sell, tap on please enter the sell price, then tap on confirm. Use this price as sell price. You enter at this, even if you don't enter this preset price, which is $2. Because it has not gone to hit the sell price, you can decide to use this. Enter the way you see. As long as you have calculated the sell price and it has not gone to hit it, you can trade that coin at any price, so long as it has not hit. So these are just a little thing I just want to add again. So we call it today. For today, let me go back and see if there's a question for us to answer. For me to answer.
Hello, sir. You said you are going to talk about ACRO.
Yeah, some of us are on ACRO. The ACRO will hit 0.40. The thing is that if I have a land, I will sell it and put it on ACRO.
You mean it?
You don't know what you guys don't. BlackRock. Go and Google BlackRock. Google BlackRock. For BlackRock to have BTC ETF, Bitcoin ETF. This market, April, if you are in that group and you are not, maybe you are playing with Royal Q, the kind of screenshot that you will see, if care is not taking, they might admit you. If care is not taking, because of the kind of money you'll be seeing in terms of trading and in terms of reward details. That is what we know what we are saying in 2021, brothers and sisters.
So they are pro within a short time now until it starts.
No. You can see coins are pumping one by one. People are removing money from sushi. They went to OM. From OM will still come back and pump. OM is a signal I dropped and it has been vomiting dollar downtrend. I'm also on that OM. Don't you guys think I just post signal? I'm also trading the signals I'm posting. I'm also trading. So let's go. You see Acro. Let's look for Acro. This Acro will hit. See it now. We are looking at a lot of fair value. Okay, I don't think I've taught you guys fair value gap, institutional trading concept. Not taught you guys that, but you could see on the 1 week, everything is piling up orders. It's piling up orders. Eh? It's not, the Acro is not going down again. It doesn't have an option and off. It doesn't have an option. Check monthly charts. Check monthly. See it now. See monthly. Anytime you even see a stochastic on the monthly chart on the buy zone, it's telling you that people are coming to placing order. They are placing. It's just that the USDT on Acro now is not enough to move the price. Somebody will come and put big money that move the price. So you that you have small money or 50,000 or 10,000 or 20,000, just remain patient. By the time it moves, it will go. It's definitely coming to this 0.4, 0.04. That's the 0.04. See this area. It's definitely coming there. It will come here, right? But we said if you're on Acro on Circle, switch it to one shot. So that you just quickly take your money and you're out. You're out. It's already on the buy zone on the 1 month. See it on the 1 week, still pointing up on its way. See it on the 1 day, still going up. So you don't have an issue. The only thing is the money in the USDT on the Acro is not enough to pump the price. That's why it's just people placing order. Just be patient. Remember, BTC is going up. We are looking at it upward trend in this week. This week alone, we are looking at an upward trend, which is also going to move other coins up. So if you have question, you unmute and you ask your question so that, let me go to the chart. Remember that if you have Bitcoin halving we have a machine that is all this, CBN are the one that print your local currency. If you're in Nigeria, CBN. If you're in Nigeria, CBN. If you're in your own local, any country you are now, there is a bank, there is a central bank that controls all the banks in your country. They are the ones that print money. The same thing with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We have machines that mint the crypto. Bitcoin, you have machine that can mint Bitcoin. I think minimum last time I checked, the machine is worth 1.8 million. I don't know for Naira. In Naira, 1.8 million Naira. You can convert that money to dollar and see that was the minimum amount. If you have the machine, you can be minting as long as you have 24. It likes the machine has love two things: light and where area that is cool. If the place is hot, it will spoil the machine. So if you have 24. If you have one of the machine, it can have the ability to be giving you minimum $4 to $6 every single day without doing anything. And you can move it to your Binance and sell. But it will be consuming your light. So now that machine is able to what? Mint Bitcoin, and that machine, that's what is called block. You'll be seeing it on if you are reading, if you connect the machine to your system, you'll be seeing it. Per block, you have units of BTC. Each block has units. So if you have like 6 units on a block, for instance, if you're minting one block, every block means complete minting. A block is minted for 10 minutes, right? So every block has units. This unit, now, for example, we have one, if one block is 6 units per BTC, now if Bitcoin have it means that block will now reduce to half. Instead of 6, you have 3. Instead of 6, you have 3. So the rate at which you mint per block is now reduced by half. So if you're having 6, you're having 3. Now, if you are minting 10 units every day, you're now minting 5 units every day. You can see it has come down. So if it has come down, what's going to happen? You that you are minting it, it's consuming your energy. So you want to increase the price if you want to sell. So people that are coming to buy the BTC, the price will start going up because supply has come down. Demand and supply in the economics. That's what is everything revolves around demand and supply in economics. Now, if the unit per block has been slashed, what is going to happen to the price? The supply has come down, demand will go up. That is why you see after Bitcoin halving, price will start to go up, because people will start to what? The price will go up, but people will buy. They are buying early, so that they want to sell 2025. Some people will not sell until 2025. BTC will head to 200,000. As you can see, we are now in 51. From that 15, you are now in 51. Like play, we are in 51. So that's it. You can place more than one trade if you have more than $100. With your $300, you can place 3 trades using Magic 3. Or with your 320, you can place 1 trade using Magic 1. Minimum number of coins to trade on one shot is minimum number of trades to place on one shot is 3. R3. Maximum is 10. Minimum USDT on a coin should be 1,000. This is just our recommendation. Minimum number of USDT on a coin is 1,000. And the magic to use for one shot is the best magic to use for one shot is what? Magic 5. Why? Because once there is a call drop of 1.4%, once you from your entry price, 50% of your capital will enter the coin, because you to buy the first call to the fourth call. 50% will enter the coin, and that's it. So if immediately like they said, it's going to, if you are taking 3%, it's going to be 3% or 50% of your capital. All right. So that's it. That's why we recommend Magic 5. However, we have a cycle tactics where you just put your 13,125 USDT. Every single day you see money dropping in your account. You don't need to look at chart. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to know any skill. Just plug and play. Yeah, after the halving, we have a slight dip for people to buy before like I say, bull run proper starts when you start seeing Fed cut the interest rate, because that's when money will start coming into the market after the halving. I think I've explained Bitcoin halving. I think we've come to the end of this session. I don't see any question to answer again. Jeremiah King Jeremiah, you can unmute yourself. Hello, Jeremiah. And Alabi, you can unmute Jeremiah. King Alabi. Alabi, are you still there?
Yes, I'm there, sir.
Unmute Jeremiah. He wants to. Unmute him.
I'm trying to do that, but it's like I can't do it. I'm trying to do it, but
Okay, don't worry. I think I've done it. Maybe you should. Jeremiah, you can unmute yourself now. The first thing, okay, I can see. Drop your question, Jeremiah, Emeka, Henry, OG, Sam. Or drop your question on the chat. I can see we try unmuting. Let me try and see if I can unmute all. Okay. Henry, you can ask your question.
Okay, sir. Okay, I have typed this question. I want to know if we'll be able to get a template for WPS Excel spreadsheet.
Template? Is it the Excel you're asking for, or the WPS app?
I have the app, the Excel.
Okay, whatever group you are, anywhere the group you got this link from, just go and type, I need the Excel template there. You will see it. Somebody will send it to you.
Okay, sir. All right, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, next person, King Emeka. King Emeka.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, please, I need help from you.
I'm listening. Go on.
Yeah, I have money on my Royal queue, but if I want to, since 2 days now, I'm trading before, but since 2 days now, if I want to trade, they are sending me, they are showing me something on my. If I want to post save, they are showing me as I need to deposit USDT on my Royal queue. So,
Yes, you need
but
to send USDT. You need to
don't know
send
how.
USDT on your assets.
I don't know how to do it. So I need a help. Can I have some videos? How can how I used to deposit the money?
I will send you. I used to send. There is a video on all these things. I will send it on all the
But
groups again.
I already watched. I watched all the video. I did not see any video. The video I
The
see is to
video
how to
that you use in activating your Royal queue is a video that will guide you on how you can send the money to your Royal queue account. I will send the video to you on all the groups, RTMI group, challenge group. You will see all. In fact, even if you are in Royal queue Africa Reloaded, I will share all the group. I will share that video again. Go watch all the videos. The video that helps you to activate your boat is a video that will guide you on how you can send money to your Royal queue. I'll send it to you on the group now.
I don't know which group you are sending it to. I'm in one group. This program group.
Don't worry. The group you got this link from.
Yes.
Is it not a challenge group? 300 days challenge group.
No, not a challenge group. This is a progress team.
You said?
This is a progress team group.
I don't know that group. Maybe the person decided to share our Zoom link in his own group. If I don't know the group, maybe probably you can ask your upline, call your upline and let him guide you. Because right now I was supposed to. I would have asked you to share your screen, but I want to end this session 10 p.m. dot, and it's already 10 p.m. So get back to your upline. He will guide you.
Okay, but I don't know how can you. I already called my leader to help me, but he said he's not having chance.
No, you don't have a chance. You wait for him now. Sometimes some people on upline are busy. It's not every time you just call him, you should just come and meet you. He will definitely respond to you. He's not the one that introduced you.
I'm waiting.
Okay, I will share.
3 days
share
now.
I don't know which group you are. That's what I'm saying. But however, just go to the group and request for, or I will send the video on all the groups. All the groups of my Royal group, I will send it on all the groups.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You will get it there. Where you got this thing from, you get it there. So next person, Jeremiah. I can see Jeremiah is not ready. OG Sam, King OG Sam.
Thank you very much, Coach. Good evening. I want to say thank you very much for all the insights. They are very invaluable. So my question is very short. So I find the Royal queue very interesting because during the last bull season, what we normally do is okay, this coin is going to pump, then we just buy and hold. But this is, totally different, and I'm finding it very, very useful. So I just want to ask you, apart from the signals that we receive from you, is there any other advice you would give in preparation for the real bull season that is coming up? So what are those things you would advise in preparing for that time? Yes.
Now, what we are doing is we have list of coins that can even do 1000x, 800x, 500x. We are preparing an Excel template where once you plug in your capital, it will just distribute itself on all the coins and it will tell you the unit per coin that you are holding. We want to have that Excel template ready. Yeah, I think this week that we just enter, it should be ready. So expect it on all RTMI group. But I think we have an agreement that if you are not an active member, you can't get that template. You can't get those coins. So don't worry yourself. As long as the interest rates have not started coming down, we are still not yet in full bull run, right? So don't worry, we will share it on the groups. Where you go, the group you got this link from, you expect it there. We'll share it when the time is right. Those are the coins you are going to hold. It's not as if you are going to say you want to trade them. You are holding them with your own money that you are not trading with. Your trading money is the money that gives you money daily that you can spend. But this one is the money you drop and forget it till 2025 for you to sell and make mega profit.
Oh, interesting. Interesting. Thank you very much, sir.
Coach
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's mind blowing. No, we are expecting it to.
Yeah, of course. You are my. You of course you get it.
It's mind blowing.
It's
Thank you,
mind
sir.
blowing. We are expecting it to. In fact, I can't just wait receiving that kind of. But
Okay, guys. Yeah, go on.
This 5 point, sorry, sir. This 5.5 something you are talking about, the interest rate. How do we get it? Where do we visit to get those information?
I shared with you. I shared it on the Zoom session, one Zoom session. Go and check www.cryptocraft.com. Cryptocraft.com. That is where you can get this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Cryptocraft. If you are typing it, Cryptocraft, don't space it together. www.cryptocraft.com. That website will help you. And I can share my screen. You guys can go and get this information. I used to see my screen. If you still see my screen, if I just go to my Mrs. browser, I'm using Mrs. browser. I'm not using the Phoenix browser. www.crypto. You see Cryptocraft? Are you guys seeing it? Are you guys seeing it? King Alabi?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see it.
You see cryptocraft.com? This is where you can get this information. This is part of any fundamental you're looking for in crypto, you see it there.
Okay, sir.
Next time we meet, I will explain and tell you guys how you can check for all these things I'm talking about: the fundamental, the interest rate, the job data, the CPI, the unemployment rate, how it affects the. I just told you guys how interest rate affects it.
Thank you, sir.
So I will explain more next time we meet. Thank you very much for this call. I really appreciate your presence. We hope to meet next time. We do this Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 9 p.m. Nigerian time. The thing is that if you keep attending, you keep getting, but you keep increasing your knowledge, right? Before pending when, of course, now as you keep attending, consistency is key. If you attend today and you don't attend tomorrow, you will lose something. Or even if you don't able to attend, ensure you watch the video. As you keep going like that, you see that you accumulate a lot of things. So thank you very much. See you next time. Good night.
Good night. Good.